Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and these are my Riutiru leather Mary Jane heels. These shoes are so adorable. I want to show you my favorite feature, which is the clasp. Instead of actually having to manually change it every time and put them on, you have this little hook that just holds the clasp on. So it's very easy to put on and you can still adjust them. You can see they are handmade and you can tell because they have such attention to detail. And for the quality of the leather and of the craftsmanship and all of the different designs that are included, it's really such a bargain. These shoes are definitely the most unique shoes I own. So down to the stitching and everything, they are really well made and very beautiful. I've gotten so many compliments on them. These shoes are also really comfortable and really stable. So you have this nice rubber base. So even when you're jumping, even when you're moving around, you're definitely not gonna twist your ankle or be wobbly at all. If you're looking for some solid shoes that are comfortable, then check these out. Look at the beautiful sole. It's a rubber carved sole, and I've had them for a while now and they have held up so well. Hardly any signs of use. You also have a cushy insole and just beautiful details. I mean, look at the thread. They even use different color thread for their own personal touch. You have this gorgeous accent bead in the middle of the flower, and as you can see, you have a lot of different coordinating colors in these shoes. I think you are going to fall in love with this brand and these shoes just as much as I have. But that's just my point of view.